How to do footnote citation in Word. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do footnote citation in Word. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open any of your Word document and then you gotta go to the particular section where you wish to add the citation. So for example, I'm gonna select this word right over here. And once you do select the specific word, you gotta go to references to add the citation. So for example, I have selected this word and then you gotta go to references and then you should see the option of insert endnote. Click on it and you'll be able to see that Word automatically will add the citation number right next to the word. Here you can see the citation number has been added, and also Word will automatically move you to the end of the page. So you gotta simply add your footnote right over here, and then you can type in your footnote and you're good to go. So that was basically how you can add a footnote citation in Word. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.